Take a ride in the 2022 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, privacy glass, Bluetooth, smart device integration, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.